How to fix no sound issue in Mobile Legends. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be using an iPhone device to fix this problem. So let's get started. First, you will want to head over to your settings. After you head to your settings, you'll need to scroll down till you find accessibility. Now under accessibility, we will try to fix our speakers here. So go over to hearing section, and under there you will see audio and visual. Tap on it and scroll down. Now under balance you will see a slider. Now make sure that the slider is at middle. It's at 0.00. Now what this does is this balances your volume between your left and right channels. So make sure that it is balanced. After you do that, you can simply go back and try to use your Mobile Legends. And before you do that, head over to your settings again and go to general and go to iPhone storage. Now right here you'll need to search for Mobile Legends. Open up Mobile Legends and you can simply offload the app and reinstall it. So simply tap on offload again, and then reinstall it after it is offloaded. After doing so, the cache memory in your Mobile Legends will just get deleted, but you will still have the data of your Mobile Legends, so don't need to worry about that. And after you do that, your problem should get fixed. And yeah, that is all for this video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more.